Hey friends, welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a no-bake cherry cheesecake pie. You'll start off with 2 packages of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Grab yourself a mixer and mix these ingredients up until it's nice and creamy. Grab yourself an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Fold in that entire 8-ounce package of whipped topping into your mix. Now you're going to add your cream cheese filling to your pie shell. I am using a 10-inch pie shell this time. Now you don't want to fill up your pie shell all the way because you do need room for your cherry pie filling. Now after you've set it in the freezer overnight, or in the refrigerator overnight, whichever you prefer. Grab yourself a 20-ounce can of cherry pie filling and place that on the top. Spread that out evenly, top with some more whipped topping and some more cherries to decorate. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.